In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables using Design View in LibreOffice Base. Let's start by opening LibreOffice and selecting Base. In the Database wizard, choose Create a new database, then click Finish. You'll be prompted to save your database file. Pick a clear name and a folder you'll remember. This file will hold your tables, forms, and any other objects you build, so saving it right away keeps everything organized from the start. Once the database opens, look to the left sidebar and click Tables. Then choose Create Table in Design View. You'll see a blank design grid with columns for field name and field type, and a properties area at the bottom. This is where you define the structure of your table before any data goes in. Begin by entering your field names in the field name column. For a simple client table, you might add ID, client name, email, and phone. Use concise descriptive names and keep them consistent. Avoiding spaces or special characters can help prevent issues later. Next, assign a data type to each field in the field type column. Pick integer for the ID since it will store numbers. Use text, varchar, for names, emails, and phone numbers. If you plan to store dates, choose date. For true or false values, select yes, no, boolean. Choosing the right type here prevents errors and keeps your data clean and efficient. With the fields set, refine them using the properties panel at the bottom. For text fields, adjust the length to something reasonable. Email at 100 characters is a common choice. Set a default value if you want a field to pre-fill with something specific. If a field must never be left blank, switch required to yes. For example, you might make client name required so every record has a name. Now set the primary key. Click the row for your ID field, right-click, and choose Primary Key. This ensures each record is uniquely identified, which is essential for sorting, searching, and linking tables reliably. Save your table by pressing Ctrl+S. When prompted, give it a clear name, such as Clients, and click OK. You'll see the table appear in the tables list. To enter data, double-click your new table. A spreadsheet-like view opens where you can start typing records. Each row is one entry, like a single client. Use Tab to move across fields, and when you reach the blank row at the bottom, a new record is created. That's it. You've created a table in Design View, defined its fields and types, set properties, assigned a primary key, and started entering data.